गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज चंद्रेश कुमार एंड मैं आपको एक बहुत ही अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट में समझाने जा रहा हूँ जिसे हम कहते हैं ESBI मॉडल, राइट? सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली ESBI इज, ओके, एंड वेयर इट कम्स फ्रॉम. So first of all, ESBI model or ESBI concept has been given by none other than a famous author, Robert T. Kiyosaki. And who is this person? A person who has written so many books related like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Cash Flow Quadrant, this all. So this reference, the ESBI is written in the book called Cash Flow Quadrant. Now, why I'm making this video to make you realize that where we exactly fall. Okay, because the Robert T. Kiyosaki has told there are 4 ways of earning money legally through the ESBI model. Okay, there are hundreds or thousands of ways to earn money illegally, but there are only 4 ways. There are only 4 ways to earn money legally. What are those 4 ways are? Okay, so Robert T. Kiyosaki has divided these 4 ways in 4 quadrants. Basically, these are the people who belongs to these quadrants. So what are those quadrants? I hope you can see the screen. The first quadrant is called as an employee quadrant. Okay, so this is the first quadrant. So who is an employee? An employee is someone basically who works under someone who has a boss, and when he works for X hours of time, he get X amount of money. If he works Y hours, still he gets X amount of money, because this is fixed for an employee as a fixed salary or as a fixed package, right? The second quadrant that he talked about is self-employed quadrant. Now, to whom we can call a self-employed person? A self-employed person. A self-employed person is a person basically who doesn't have a boss. Okay, and when these people put their X hours of effort or X hours in their business or small scale business, they make X amount of money. If they reduce their work or they give lesser amount of time, or they give more amount of time, based on their time they get paid. So their earning depends on their time they put for their business or their work, right? So with this quadrant, it is very, very clear that if you want to make money, you have to put your time. Okay, the more you will earn time, the more money you will make. It's very clear. Now, the third quadrant, and which is most important quadrant, is big business quadrant. And generally, this is the third quadrant. Okay, so to whom we can call a big businessman. A big businessman is a person basically who owns a system. So the question is, what is the system? So system is nothing but already implemented methods or techniques or institutions which can give you money, okay, which runs automatically. So suppose if in India, Mukesh Ambani, Ratan Tata, these are the people who are big businessmen. If they stops working, do you think that they will stop getting money? No. Why? Because they have created a system. They have established so many companies, group of companies, okay, and they hired so many people like managing directors, chairmen, okay, MD, managing directors. These are the people who take care of these systems, and this system runs automatically. From employee quadrant, the employee comes to their system, they work, they go back to home, they come, they go back to home, they come, they go back to home. And these people works in the system. The system generates money. This money goes to big businessmen, right? So this system is very, very powerful. Why this is powerful? Because this system has the capacity, to feed your next 5 to 10 generations, right? So if I talk about Mukesh Ambani, he's not working for himself. He's working for upcoming next 10 or 20 generations, right? So these are the big businessmen quadrant. These are the big businessmen. And the fourth quadrant that he told about is investor category. So to whom we can call an investor? Suppose I'm putting 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees in some firm or some kind of schemes. Do you think that I'm an investor? No, I'm not an investor. I'm a trader. I'm simply trading my money, right? Which is none other than in none of the quadrant. Sometimes it is illegal also. There's no rules and regulations from government, right? But these are the investors basically who put 500 crores, 1,000 crores, 10,000 crores money to big systems. Okay. And this system runs only because of the investors' money. So if you want to become an investor, you should have to go through these phases. First, if you are an employee, you should have to be jump into self-employed quadrant, and it is a continuous process. It will take 4 or 5 years if you start working today to reach here. And once you become a big businessman, you will be having high chance to become an investor, right? So just think, people, just think where you are. Are you in employee quadrant? You just want to work for next 40 years for someone is getting benefited for entire life, or you want to create your own business where you will be owner of yourself, right? That you need to decide. So this is the ESBI model, and I'll tell you what are the difference between these two quadrant of the people. Basically, I am dividing E and S as the left side of the quadrant and B and I as the right side of the quadrant. So in the next video, I'll tell you what are the basic difference between these 4 categories of the quadrant and what are their thought process and how you will reach there. How can you start your journey to become a big businessman? Okay. So thank you. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. God bless you.